Hi guys, today I'm gonna be installing with also Angers in his workshop 9 Fest, and we're gonna be installing the new UniClutch system that I received directly from Australia. First we had to disassemble all the under trays under the car. And remove the exhaust to get to the drive shaft and the gearbox itself. Here you can see the drive shaft itself getting removed and the gearbox itself to get to the original clutch, which is in really good state after 3 years of abuse. But of course, I think changing to UniClutch was the best time to do it.
Guys, now I can go to the gym. Oh, it's very heavy. Look to my muscles.
Because UniClutch system is a bit of a different system that we are used to, you have to assemble the fitting kit to adapt to your gearbox and engine. You have to use the right spacers in the right direction to fit the gearbox and the engine itself. We came across a bit of a problem with the dowel pin size. The Uni flywheel was designed for an N55 engine, and the dowel pin is a bit smaller on the N55 engine than it is on the S55. We were lucky that we could re-drill to the right size, and after that we just had to assemble the clutch, the gearbox and the rest of the plastics and under trays. So we just did a bleeding of the clutch pedal. It feels basically the same that it did before, I think even a bit better. But for sure I will do a road test and put a few miles on it, and afterwards I will give you more of that feedback afterwards. Just the last thing to retort the drive shaft and reinstall the exhaust. We have everything reassembled underneath and ready for the test drive that we were anticipating all day. Quick test drive showed that everything was working and we were ready to do some real tests. But for the real test, you'll have to wait until the next vlog from Poland, where I was attending the Ultra Race Drift event. See you next time.